Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check Mac OS and Garageband versions because plugins must match the host. Once done, choose audio units or OV3 formats since Garageband supports those natively. Next, enable third-party extensions in system settings and give the system a restart to register components. While restarting, download only trusted plugin installers. This reduces conflicts later. You want a clean foundation, so Garageband can scan and load new plugins without error when you run the plugin installer and accept default audio units installation paths so Garageband finds files automatically. After installation, open Garageband and create a new track. Go to Smart Controls, choose the plugin slot, and select audio units to insert the new effect or instrument. If nothing appears, force a rescan via the Audio Units Manager or relaunch Garageband. Also double-check that the plugin is 64-bit and notarized. Incompatible architecture or missing signatures will prevent loading. You finish by saving a project template that includes the newly added plugin so future sessions load it instantly. Make sure to keep both your plugins and Garageband updated to avoid compatibility regressions. Updates often fix stability and performance issues. If Garageband crashes or the plugin behaves oddly, remove the plugin, reinstall the latest build, and check console logs for error messages. If necessary, revert to a backup project. This lets you isolate whether the plugin or project settings caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.